Okay, my dear children, so we are discussing about the types of forest. In the last class, we have discussed about different types of forest. Okay, tropical evergreen forest, tropical deciduous forest. Yes, we have discussed about what more? Hmm? We have discussed about tropical deciduous, tropical evergreen, temperate deciduous, temperate evergreen. So four types of different types of forests we have seen. So we have a few more types of forests. So today we are going to see about Mediterranean. Okay, uh, What? See the spelling Mediterranean. So Mediterranean vegetation, so type of forest. It's nothing but forest. So you have seen tropical evergreen forest, tropical deciduous forest, and all that. So most of the forests are, suppose this is a sub-country. So generally, what you see in the north and in the east, okay, in the north and in the east, margins of the countries are covered by like temperate evergreen, okay, and deciduous forest. So the west and south margins of the continent, so what is here, the south and west, so these areas, so you will find these margins are different. They are Mediterranean vegetation, okay, and they adopted completely different kinds of situation, you can say. They adopt themselves to what is a different, like dry summer. They adopt themselves to the dry summer with the help of their thick barks, thick barks and wax coated leaves. Wax coated leaves. So leaves are a little bit wax coated will be there. So coating, like if you see some leaves of some trees, there'll be something like shining. The leaf is shining and they'll be thick. Okay, so such kind of trees will be there in the Mediterranean Sea. So these are mostly found in the areas around the Mediterranean Sea. Okay, in Europe, Africa, and Asia. So ఇది ఎక్కడ కనిపిస్తాయి? మెడిటేరియన్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ ఫారెస్ట్ యూరోప్, ఏషియా, ఇంకా ఆఫ్రికాలో కనిపిస్తాయి, మెడిటేరియన్ సరౌండింగ్ లో. That is why the name Mediterranean Sea type of vegetation is given. So here you will find hot, dry summers and wet, okay, and wet winters. So there will not be high. No, in India it is not there weather. So these regions are marked by hot, dry summer, wet winter. Okay, and the type of fruits like citrus fruits, oranges, olives, grapes. So such kind of things are commonly found in this Mediterranean vegetation. Okay, because of the people have removed the natural vegetation in order to take up agriculture. Now in the Mediterranean type of vegetation, you will not find much like wildlife is not much. Understood? So that is about Mediterranean vegetation. Now coniferous, Coniferous, coniferous. Okay, coniferous forests. So these forests are generally found in the higher latitudes. So ekkada kanipistevi? Higher latitudes, 50 to 70 degrees latitudes areas లో ఈ టైప్ ఆఫ్ ఫారెస్ట్ మనకు కనిపిస్తుంది ఇన్ ద నార్దర్న్ హెమిస్ఫియర్. అండర్స్టూడ్? సో ద different, like coniferous forest is completely different type of forest. They are also called as taiga forest or taiga vegetation. Okay, TIAGA, taiga vegetation. So these here you'll find the trees in this kind of forest are completely different. Okay, soft wood trees will be there. The trees are found in the Himalayas, like Himalayas, in abundance. So కాన్ఫీరియస్ ఫారెస్ట్ ఎక్కువగా ఈ లాటిట్యూడ్స్ లో కనిపిస్తాయి. అలాగే మనకి ఇండియాలో హిమాలయాస్ లో కాన్ఫీరియస్ ఫారెస్ట్ కనిపిస్తుంది. అండ్ దిస్ వుడ్స్ ఆర్ వెరీ యూస్ఫుల్ ఫర్ మేకింగ్ పల్ప్, పేపర్ తయారు చేయడానికి బాగా యూస్ చేస్తారు. విచ్ ఈస్ యూస్ ఫర్ మ్యానుఫ్యాక్చరింగ్ ద paper, newspaper, especially newspaper, like match boxes. Okay, match boxes, packing papers, packing boxes, carton antar kada, cotton boxes. So then the type of trees what you'll find here is chim, pine, cedar. Okay, these are the important trees in this forest. And what kind of animals you'll find here is silver fox. What you'll find? Silver fox, mink, polar bear. Okay, these are commonly found in the coniferous forest. So coniferous speciality ఏంటంటే ఆ చెట్లకు పెద్ద పెద్ద ఆకులున్న చెట్లు ఉంటాయి. అవి ఆకులు చిన్న చిన్న ఉంటాయి. And like umbrella type trees will be more like we have Christmas tree, no? In that way the trees will be, and they'll have some cone type uh, thorns will be there. Okay, is that clear? So this we have learned about Mediterranean vegetation and coniferous forest. Now we are going to see about grasslands. You know what are grasslands? Grasslands. Okay, now these are all the things what we have learned is about trees and forest. Now grasslands is completely different. They're large tracts of area where you find grass, not trees. Okay, grass, not trees. You understand? So here again you will see four types of grasslands. Let us see about grasslands. Tropical grasslands. Okay, again you will see temperate. Okay, temperate grasslands. Then thorny bushes. Okay, then tundra vegetation. So we have tundra vegetation. So let us discuss about the grasslands. So first we will see keep phone horizontal. పడిపోతుందమ్మా ఫోను పడిపోతుంది. Here no proper facility. I am trying my best. You know, if I keep like this, you will not find the board properly. If you see my face, you want to see my face, then I have to keep like this and teach. Okay. So if you see, these grasslands are grown either side of the equator. Okay, but I cannot hold it for a long time, no? Okay. If I keep like this, then is it not visible? So let us see about tropical grasslands. These grasslands are grown. So if you see, this is the equator. Okay, 0 degrees. So these grasslands are found in the equator, either side of the equator means here and here, two sides of the equator. Okay, the vegetation grows in this area are like moderate to low rainfall. So, these areas lo vegetation ela untadante rainfall if you see moderate and normal or low. Okay, the grass grow very tall. So grass will grow very tall. అక్కడ గడ్డి అంటాం కదా, ఆ గడ్డి అనేది చాలా పెద్దగా 3 to 4 meters ఉంటుంది. అంత పెద్దగా ఉంటుంది, 3 to 4 meters. అర్థమైందా? గడ్డి And for example, in Africa, this kind of grasslands are called as savanna. Savannah. Savanna. Okay. And the animals you find in these grasslands are elephants, giraffes, leopards. Okay. These are commonly seen in the tropical grasslands. And next is temperate grasslands. These are found in the mid-latitudinal zones. So latitudinal zones. So ఇక్కడ ఈ latitudes ఉన్నాయి కదా మిడ్ అంటే మధ్యలో మిడ్ లాటిట్యూడినల్ జోన్స్ లో ఎక్కువగా కనిపిస్తుంది. అండ్ ఎస్పెషల్లీ టు ద ఇంటీరియర్ పార్ట్స్ ఆఫ్ ద కాంటినెంట్స్ కి లోపల ఇంటీరియర్లలో కనిపిస్తుంది. యూజువల్లీ ఇక్కడ గ్రాస్ ఎలా ఉంటుంది అంటే షార్ట్ చిన్నగా పెరుగుతుంది అండ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ వెరీ న్యూట్రిషియస్. అండర్స్టూడ్ అంటే నాట్ ఫర్ అస్, ఓకే, ద యానిమల్స్ విచ్ ఆర్ దేర్, ఓకే, న్యూట్రిషియస్. అండ్ యూ విల్ సీ వైల్డ్ బఫెలోస్, bisons, antelopes. So these are commonly seen in the temperate region. And these grasslands are called as steppes. Steppes in Eurasia. సో ఆఫ్రికాలో టెంపరేట్ ట్రాపికల్ గ్రాస్ ల్యాండ్స్ ని సవర్ణ అంటారు. యురేషియాలో టెంపరేట్ గ్రాస్ ల్యాండ్స్ ని స్టెప్పీస్ అంటారు. ఇది చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్. రిమెంబర్ దిస్ టూ థింగ్స్. నెక్స్ట్ ఈస్ థార్నీ బుషెస్, ముళ్ళ కంపలు. ఓకే, దీస్ ఆర్ ఫౌండ్ ఇన్ ద డ్రై డెజర్ట్ లైక్ రీజన్స్. Tropical deserts are located in the western margins of the continent. So ఎక్కువగా ఇప్పుడు ఇది వెస్టర్న్ అంటే ఈ మార్జిన్స్ లో ఎక్కువగా మీకు గ్రాస్ ల్యాండ్స్ అయితే కనిపిస్తాయో అవి థార్నీ బుషెస్ గ్రాస్ ల్యాండ్స్ ఉంటాయి. ఓకే, ద వెజిటేషన్ కవర్ ఈస్ స్కేర్స్ అంటే ఎక్కువ వెజిటేషన్ ఉండదు హియర్ బికాస్ ఆఫ్ స్కాంటీ రైన్ఫాల్. వర్షాలు లేవు కాబట్టి ఎక్కువ వెజిటేషన్ కూడా ఉండదు, గడ్డి కూడా ఎక్కువ మొలవదు. స్క్రాచింగ్ హీట్, అర్థమైందా? వెరీ వెరీ హై టెంపరేచర్. సో నెక్స్ట్ ఈస్ tundra vegetation. You know tundra region, polar region. Polar region is called as tundra region. So if you see in the 8th class you have studied that tundra region is nothing but polar region. So you will find the place extremely cold, very very high cold. So the growth of natural things like trees, plants is not possible. It is very very limited. You'll find only mosses, lichens, small grass. Okay, అర్థమైందా? So this vegetation is found in the obviously polar regions, that is North Pole and South Pole. So they are found in Europe, Asia and North America. And the animals here, you know, because of the nature, what kind of animals will be there? Thick fur. Okay, skin బాగా థిక్ ఉండి ఫర్ ఉన్నటువంటి యానిమల్స్ ఉంటాయి. లైక్ సీల్, walrus, musk oxen, Arctic owl, polar bear, snow foxes. Okay, these are commonly found in the tundra vegetation. Is that clear? These are found in the tundra vegetation. Did you understand? So we have learned about different types of forests and different types of grasslands. Clear? Now we are going to discuss about the link between human society and environment. Okay, is there any link between environment and human society, human group, human beings? Okay, when the human society started down the ages, thousands of years ago, and how was the climate at that time? How was the nature at that time? Is there any environmental problems in those days? People were not producers actually. People were hunter gatherers. They used to hunt or gather, no production, but slowly they learned the use of fire, the use of wheel, okay, lightning sticks and grass. The first source of energy. What is the first source of energy? Fire. Okay, so after the invention of fire, wheel and all that, slowly people started producing. So now the people became producers from the stage of hunting and gathering. They have reached to the stage of producing. Understood? So thus, as human beings turn towards production process, they are clearing the large tracts, large areas of land for farming. They are making the land according to their use. They are converting the land according to their use. Okay, వాళ్ళకు అనుగుణంగా మార్చుకుంటారు. సో ఆ మార్చుకునేటప్పుడు while converting, a lot of environment is degraded. So when human beings will practice agriculture, animal husbandry, they have to see, they have to begin change the environment. అట్లనే ఫారెస్ట్ లాగా ఉంచి అగ్రికల్చర్ చేయలేము. సో క్లియర్ చేయాలి, ఫార్మింగ్ కి సూటబుల్ గా వీ హ్యావ్ టు కన్వర్ట్ ఇట్, దెన్ ఓన్లీ వీ క్యాన్ డూ ఫార్మింగ్. సో ఈ మార్పు చేసేటప్పుడు డిగ్రేడింగ్ అవుతుంది. So slowly the cities are forming, okay, and metals were extracted from the ground like copper, bronze, iron, silver, and many things. Okay, building the tanks for water storage, canals were constructed. We were diverting the water from the canals and rivers to the field. So not natural. Human beings are doing that. So people started building the roads, railways, airways, technology. So what we can say is we have changed the nature completely. Ardhamainda? So if you see the population data, human population grows so much that human beings became dominant species of animals on the earth. అన్ని జాతుల కంటే మానవ జాతి పాపులేషన్ ఎక్కువ ఉంది యానిమల్స్ కంటే. సో ఇఫ్ యూ సీ 10,000 BCలో when the cultivation started, the total population of the world, it is estimated that it is just 40 lakhs. భూమి మొత్తం మీద 40 lakhs ఉండొచ్చు అంటున్నారు. అండ్ 1750కి వచ్చేసరికి అది 50 crores అయింది. ఓకే, 18th సెంచరీకి వచ్చేసరికి 100 కోట్ల పాపులేషన్ అయింది. 1950కి వచ్చేసరికి 250 crores అయింది పాపులేషన్. అండ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఎస్టిమేటెడ్ దట్ by the end of 21st century it will reach to 1000 crores of population. 40 lakhs నుంచి 1000 crores కి వచ్చింది పాపులేషన్ గ్రోత్. So you can understand how much pressure is increasing on the earth. Okay, for agriculture, for roadways, for railways, for industries, for many things, we are simply destroying the land and nature. So the process of altering అంటే ఈ మార్పు తీసుకొచ్చేటప్పుడే lot of things are taking place. Okay, especially you can see industrial revolution. During the industrial revolution, when industries were have to establish, land, labor, capital, organization, what we call as production factors. The first production factor is land. So we are destroying the land. We are using the chemicals. We are releasing the harmful gases. So in this way, we are completely exploiting the nature. Okay, they'll dig deep wells to get the water. You know, deep wells are dug out. Okay, తర్వాత they have explored like many things. Atmosphere destroy అవుతుంది. సిస్టమాటిక్ మైనింగ్ లేదు, ఇష్టం మైనింగ్ జరుగుతుంది. కటింగ్ డౌన్ ద ఫారెస్ట్ ఏరియా, బిల్డింగ్ ఆఫ్ ఫ్యాక్టరీస్, ఫీల్డ్స్. టు మేక్ ద ఫీల్డ్స్ దే హ్యావ్ టు డిస్ట్రాయ్ ద ఫారెస్ట్. సో ఇవన్నీ జరుగుతుండడం వల్ల వీఆర్ డూయింగ్ ఆల్ దీస్ థింగ్స్. సో ద ఇంపాక్ట్ ఆఫ్ హ్యూమన్ బీయింగ్స్ ఈస్ very high in the environment. environmental degrading is taking place due to the human activities. Understood? Is it clear? అర్థమైందా ఏమన్నా? ఏమన్నా అర్థమైందా? Okay then. So shall we have a quiz for 10 minutes? Shall we have a quiz? Shall
Yes,
we
sir.
have a quiz? Then wait. Give me 1 minute time. I'll stop recording, okay?